At Boroli Primary School in Pakele Sub-County, Hajumani District, learners from both refugee settlement and host communities study together. For years, the growing school population placed immense pressure on the available school sanitation facilities.
The congestion when it comes to break time or lunch time.
The head teacher, Nyoma Stephen, says the situation forced many pupils to line up for long periods to use the few existing latrines.
Actually, it had effect on a high number of dropouts of the learners.
A similar challenge has been faced at St. John Dufile Primary School in Dufile Sub-County, Moyo District.
Problem, sometimes they like to go and bathe.
Ajita Beatrice, a senior woman teacher, says the poor condition of the sanitation facilities affected girls more, with some missing school due to lack of privacy and hygiene.
And even the door is not there. Sometimes we could use kitenge.
To address the sanitation challenges in schools, the ministry has constructed modern sanitation facilities to improve hygiene and restore dignity for learners.
We have also added a bathing facility onto the toilets so that the girls remain clean and also dispose of those pads and get them burnt. In that way, the girls will learn with integrity.
And even the structure is very beautiful, decorated, and when the children enter there, they feel very comfortable. Some of the materials, they can hide them there to get it dried.
These interventions are part of the wider projects worth over 15 billion shillings to extend the clean pipe water to refugee settlements and host communities across the districts of Adjumani, Moyo, Koboko, and Madiokolo.
Quality of water in the River Nile is not good. This is going to help to reduce waterborne diseases, and we have urged the local leaders to continue sensitizing the community so that more and more people can get connected to the piped water system.
It's going to reduce the cost of living, expenditures even in terms of health services. It will also increase on the latrine coverage because we are impacting that every family must have a better latrine coverage, and equal also to provide water for the persons of concerns, because this place at times when it comes to dry season we have low water content.
I will not listen to corruption.
Community members say the project will save time, improve sanitation and reduce water shortages, especially during the dry season.
If there is no water, we will go at night with their baby to look for water. And it is now, we are now very happy. If you want the tap to be at your door, even at your kitchen, they will put the way you like. That's why we are very happy.
During the final inspection and technical handover of the projects, the Assistant Commissioner in charge of urban water at the Ministry of Water and Environment, Engineer Richard Matua, said government is committed to expanding safe water access to improve livelihoods and support socio-economic development.
So that more and more people can get connected to the piped water system. We want the systems to grow, more villages will be connected. We have other programs through funding from European Union. We call it EU WASH. It is helping to construct more of these sanitation facilities in the schools, and we are going to promote these good practices until we cover all the schools in the region.
The facility was handed over to the Northern Umbrella of Water and Sanitation to manage its operations and maintenance. Residents will pay a user fee of 40 shillings per jerrycan at household points and 50 shillings at public stand posts to support sustainability of the system. The government of Uganda and partners, through the Ministry of Water and Environment, is responding to the water crisis in northern Uganda through Water and Sanitation Development Facility 4 and the latest multi-billion shillings water and sanitation projects aimed at improving access to clean water and hygiene services in the West Nile region. Eddy Olwa, UBC News.